Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to Room 9. It's me again. What's my name again? That's right, Dr. Sanders. And I'm back again. This is day 3 of our first week. I hope all of you have enjoyed the first 2 days. I hope you had a great week. And today is Wednesday, right? So it's what? Hump Day. Oh, that's right. I forgot to take off my hat. Let me put that up there, out of the way, so we can get started. Remember, I'm Dr. Sanders. I work at Adams Elementary in St. Louis Public Schools. I teach pre-K, but today I am teaching pre-K and K, ELA, and math. During this first week, we're just doing a lot of everything in both subjects. So we're talking a little bit about math, a little bit about ELA, reading some books, having some fun. We're just doing our thing, right? I said thing too. I didn't say thing. I said doing our thing. All right, we're going to take a look at our topic and our objectives because it's important to always know what you're going to learn during a lesson. Again, our topic is pre-K, pre-K and K, which is pre-kindergarten and kindergarten, reading and math. And reading sometimes is also called ELA. Math is sometimes called mathematics. And it's some old people, I hope I'm not offending anybody, but some old people call it arithmetic. But either one, you can call it arithmetic too. You sound very smart. Pre-K, reading and math. Our objective today is students will learn about what will happen in room 9 this fall. What will happen with Dr. Sanders this fall. All right, you ready to get started with the largest classroom in the region? Okay, I am too. All right, we'll start again today with a little ELA or reading. What do you want to call it? Okay, whatever I want to. Okay, that's fine. I'll go back and forth. Part of reading in ELA, we got rhyming words, we have letters, we have words, we have sounds, we have understanding books, we have comprehension. That's when you understand a book and you can be able to tell about it. We have, oh man, it's just so much stuff. And we'll get to all of it. We learn about how books look and what books do. Maybe we'll learn a little bit about poetry. Just a lot of stuff. And so I know we're going to have fun. Well, I'm going to try to make sure you have fun. All right. So let's start with some letters again. If you take a look behind me, you'll see our letter chart. And what we're going to do, as long as I don't destroy my little classroom here, is we're going to work on letters. I'm going to show you a couple letters. You can tell me what they are. You can tell me some words to start with that letter. But today we'll do a few letters and then we'll get started. So our first letter is, what letter is that? H. I heard a whole bunch of people say H. That's right. This is the letter H. Does anybody know what sound H makes? Ooh. Woo. Maybe I should have brushed my teeth this morning. H makes the sound, like in hat and horse and hello. Let's find our letter H. Oh, there's the letter H. Right there on my pumpkin. And here's another letter. Are you ready? You ready for this next letter? This is the letter D. 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 What sound does D make? That's right, dance. Dance, oh, dance with me, dance with me. Oh, I can dab too. Dab starts with D as well. Dab. Here we go. Let's find the letter D. A, B, C. D. D for dab. All right, let's do a couple more letters today. What letter is this? A. A. the A makes two sounds because the A is a vowel, so it makes two sounds. Can somebody tell me one of the sounds? Ah, ah, ah. Apple, yes, apple starts with A. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, somebody said astronaut. And the other sound it makes is it says his name, which is A. So it makes the A sound, like an ape. Or help me out. I'm thinking, what other sound letter starts with A? Apricot. Oh no, that's a short A sound. Apricot. Alligator. That's short A too. We'll have to come back because Dr. Sanders is in a L. Right. L starts with the long A. Let's find the letter A. That's right. A is the first letter in the alphabet. Able is another word. I just thought of one as I was putting it up. Let's do one more. Let's just choose one. What letter is this? That's right. That's the letter F. F. What sound does F make? Tell me a word that makes the F sound. Fish. Fish. You know, Dr. Sanders, I love going fishing. One day, maybe I'll show you a picture of me fishing. I usually catch a fish about this big. But sometimes it's this big. But you know what I have to do with it what I do with it after I catch it? Yep, sometimes I throw it back. But most of the time yes, I eat it. Good. F. Fish. Let's see. Is it right? Nope, that's the letter E. That's the F right there. That's our F. All right, again, we're going to work with letters. And we're also going to we're going to learn some words. We've practiced a couple words already. One of our words that we practice is, oh my goodness, I missed it. One of our words we practice is the letter of the word two. Two. How do you spell two? Tell me the letters in two. T-O. That's right. T-O. Remember when we spell words, we read it, then we say the letters, and then we read it again. So let's read. Let's spell the word two. Dr. Sanders is getting confused. Do you get confused sometimes? That's okay. Let's spell the word two. Read it. Two. Spell it. T-O. Read it. Two. Good job. You all are working very hard. Another word we were working on was the word, I'm going to write it again because I couldn't find it. But that's okay. It was sitting right here. Is the word, look, boys and girls, I wrote it again because I couldn't find it, but look, it was right in front of me the whole time. Oh, man. That's okay, though. This is the word what? In. Everybody say in. Dr. Sanders is going to be in trouble if he doesn't remember what he's supposed to do. Let's spell the word in. Read it. In. Say the letters. I-N. Read it again. In. Good job, boys and girls. Are you sitting in the living room right now? Are you sitting in a chair? I am sitting in a chair with my hands in my hair, running away from the bear over there. Oh, there's no bear over there. It was just a joke. I'm okay. So let's get into this book I'm going to read. Are you ready to read a new book? We're going to read a book. And guess what, boys and girls? Some of these books I'm reading, you might hear again because remember, this first week, we're just talking about everything. So you might hear these books again later, and you'll learn something each time you read it. But the name of my book today, oh, okay, hold on. Just stretch real quick. We're not going to count. Let's just stretch. Oh, make a loud sound. Say, ah. Whoa, out. Say, boogity, 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 boo. All right. The name of my book today is called One Fox, a counting book thriller. Ooh. This is the what? Front cover. Everybody say front cover. This is the what? Spine. Everybody say spine. What does the spine do? That's right, holds the book together. Just like your spine holds you up. If you didn't have a spine, you'll be a blob on the ground. Who wants to be a blob? No, I don't. This is the what? Back cover. And these words up here, that's the title of the book. I heard some of you say that. And the author of this book is Kate Reed. Or it could be Kate Reed, but I think it's Kate Reed. And what does the author do? That's right. The author writes the words in the story. Say it in this. The author writes the words in the story. And then Kate Reed, she's also her illustrator. And what does the illustrator do? Right. The illustrator draws the pictures or paints the pictures. But the illustrator draws the pictures. So Kate Reed is the author and illustrator. And I'm reading this book with permission from Peachtree Publishing. They allow me to read this book to share this nice book with you all. You have your listening ears on? Okay, let me put mine on. Oh, I can't have my listening ears on. I have to read. I'll be listening too. One Fox, a counting book thriller. One famished fox. You know what famished means? Famished means very hungry or haven't had food in a while. So one famished fox. Two sly eyes. Three plump hens. Oh, the fox is very hungry and he sees three plump hens. Four padding paws. 5 snug eggs. 6 silent steps. 7 knocks at the door. 8 8 beady eyes. 9 flying feathers. 10 sharp teeth. 100 angry hens and 1 frightened fox. 'No hens or foxes were harmed in the making of this book.' All right, boys and girls. Did you like that story? Tell me something you liked about the story. Ooh, you like the 100 hens? What did the 100 hens do? Yes, they frightened the fox away, didn't they? That's right. What else did you like about the story? The beady eyes? Ooh, can you show me your beady eyes? Ooh, hold on, you look frightened. Ooh, what else what's something that happened in the story? Just tell me something that happened in the story. Yeah, the fox was hungry. Yes, the fox was hungry. Oh, the fox wanted to eat the hens? Yes, he wanted to eat the hens. Did he eat? Did he eat? Ooh. Did he eat the hens? No, he didn't eat the hens. Right. Yes, the hens scared him away. That's right. Were hens or foxes harmed in this story? Were they hurt? No, they were not hurt at all. They were not hurt at all in this story. So, this one fox, a counting book thriller. All right, boys and girls. Everybody stand up. Never mind, sit down. No, I'm sorry, stand up. No. Sit down. No, okay, everybody stand up. I won't trick you anymore. Okay, I want you to jump up and down 10 times. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Nod your head 4 times. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to roll your shoulders? Oh, shoulders. Okay, shoulders up and down. 10 times. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You remember those jumping jacks? Let's try some jumping jacks. Remember, with jumping jacks, you spread your arms out and your legs out at the same time, and then back down. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you ready? Okay, you ready? Oh, you want to do something else? What do you want to do? You want to go to sleep for 10? Okay, everybody sleep for 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm sorry. I almost went to sleep. Don't go to sleep on me. Wake up. All right, let's sit down on 3. You ready? 1. Remember, it's up, down. Sit right down on the ground. Yeah? I'm sorry. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Up, down. Sit right down on the ground. All right, boys and girls. Now we're going to do a little mathematics, arithmetic, whatever you want to call it. We're going to do a little math. We did something earlier because we counted to 10. Can you count to 10? Let me hear you count to 10 again. Okay, I see you counted to 10. So today we're going to get my number chart out and let's make sure we're ready. We're ready. Get our big number chart out. The big number chart is up here. Let me straighten it out a little bit to make sure it doesn't fall. And let's take a look at all of our numbers. All of our numbers. We have from 1 all the way to 100. But today we're going to count. Yesterday and the other day we counted to 10. Today we're going to count to 20. Are you ready? Can you work with me? You ready? So here we go. You want to mimic me? Mimic means repeat, remember? It's like a parrot. Sometimes you say, Polly want a cracker? And then Polly says, Polly want a cracker? But you're going to mimic me. It means repeat. It means say the same thing as me. So we'll mimic to 20, and then we'll count to 20 together, and then we'll talk about a pattern. We'll talk about patterns too, because that's another math thing. So let's count. You ready? You got to mimic me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, you ready? Here we go. All the way back over here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you see that? You counted to 20. Now, let's see if we can do it together. This time, when we start counting, we're going to start counting with 0. Even though it's not up here, we're going to start counting with 0, and then we'll count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hear you. 6. Slow down a little bit. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So counting is one thing we'll do. You all did an excellent job. I can hear you nice and loudly. You all are amazing. Counting is one thing we're going to do while we're in room 9. Another thing we're going to do is patterns. Patterns is when things repeat themselves. So if you look up on my chart, can you see the circle? And then there's a triangle. Circle, triangle. Circle, triangle. Circle, triangle. Those things just repeat. What would come next? Circle. And then what? Triangle. So a pattern is something that repeats. It's like mimicking, right? Yes, a pattern is something that repeats. So we're going to do a lot of patterns. If you look at my stack of chips right here, hopefully you can see them. It's a pattern in those as well. If you start at the top, what do we have? Blue, then what? White, and then what? I'm going to use my little card. Then what? Blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue. So you see what I'm saying, right? You see a pattern. A pattern is something that repeats itself. And there's different type of patterns. Sometimes you have patterns in your shirt or your clothes that you wear. You might have stripes. It may go blue, white stripes, or yellow, pink stripes, or green, yellow stripes, or green, white stripes. Whatever. But you might, those are patterns. Another thing in math that we can do is, you know what? I'm going to show you another pattern real quick. I'm taking my time, but don't worry about me. Here we go. Look at this pattern right here. Can somebody tell me that pattern? Blue? Nope, I'm sorry. White, blue, blue. White, blue, blue. That's another type of pattern. And also, we're going to learn to spell number words. So one of our words that we've been spelling this week, and we'll spell every day, is what? Anybody remember? 9. That's right. Let's spell the word 9. Or the number 9. Are you ready? Read it. 9. Let's spell it. N-I-N-E. Read it. 9. And remember, boys and girls, the largest classroom in the region? The room 9. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Teaching in Room 9 is made possible with support of Bank of America, Dana Brown Charitable Trust, Emerson, and viewers like you.